Hey.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay. I got a director today. My grandpa's out here making it real hard to make a short video. I'm using Rubio Monocoat for doing a awesome finish on this black walnut that I'm making a bench with, live edge. So here we go. Last time I did this using Rubio, I applied with just clean cotton rags, doing the same thing this time. Gonna show you what I do. Enjoy. Here I go, I'm working super fast, applying the finish. This lovely Rubio Monocoat on the bottom of my piece first. Being kind of skimpy because, you know, bottom's the bottom. You don't want to waste all the awesome finish on the bottom. Now here I start spreading thick layers of that awesome sauce. Rubio Monocoat on the top of this live edge black walnut bench. It's looking great. Takes a lot of elbow grease doing it this way, but in the end I never had to purchase a buffer to do this. Here I am with a microfiber cloth, just elbow grease, get it going. And it looks great. End product, awesome. I truly enjoy using this Rubio Monocoat. Again, that's how I finish with Rubio Monocoat without using a buffer or anything other than my hands and clean cotton rags and microfiber towel. Looks great. Definitely be buying some more Rubio Monocoat. I love using threaded inserts on my projects. Makes my projects look awesome. I also fabricate my own bases on almost every project I make.
See you, son.
How's this look? You like it?
See you too. Later. See you on a rebound. Yeah. Later.